Hello.
Yes, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening to all.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Proofs.
You can skip n natural numbers, sir.
Sum of cubes of n natural number.
So these are proofs.
Proofs.
Okay.
Sigma I is equal to 1 to n. K is equal to 1 to n. K cube is equal to 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube plus so on plus n cube is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2 whole square. Now see yesterday's class x plus 1 whole to the power of 4. X plus 1 whole to the power of 4.
X to the power of 4 plus 4x cube y
4x cube
plus 6x square y square.
6x square y square. X plus 1.
Sir, here it is x cube y. Oh, yes, sir, yes, sir, yes, sir.
6x square plus 4x plus 1. Okay. Now here we know that x plus 1 whole to the power of 4 is equal to x power 4 plus 4x cube plus 6x square plus 4x plus 1. Now see x power 4 send this side. X power 4. X plus 1 whole to the power of 4 minus x power 4 is equal to 4x cube plus 6x square plus 4x plus 1. Now putting 1, 2, 3, 4 so on n minus 1 comma n successively we get now first one substituting here 2 power 4 minus 1 power 4 is equal to here 4 into 1 cube plus 6 into 1 square plus 4 into 1 plus 1, right? Now after that again 2 substituting 2, 3 power 4 minus 2 power 4 is equal to 4 into 2 cube plus 6 into 2 square plus 4 into 2 plus 1. Understood? Then next 3 substituting 3 power 3 plus 1 4 power 4 minus 3 power 4 is equal to 4 into 3 cube plus 6 into 3 square plus 4 into 3 plus 1. So on. So on. Tell. N power 4 minus here n minus 4 n minus 1 whole to the power of 4. Correct? N minus 1 whole to the
Sir, that part of the board is not visible.
Now, okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Is equal to 4 into n minus 1 whole cube plus 6 into n minus 1 whole square plus 4 into n minus 1 plus 1. Note down up to here.
So the board is too bright today.
Himanshu?
Sir, could you please explain the last step once?
This one, n
Yes,
power
sir.
4 up to so on n power 4 minus n minus 1 whole to the power of 4 is equal to 4 into n minus 1 whole cube plus 6 into n minus 1 whole square plus 4 into n minus 1 plus 1. After the step, n plus 1 whole to the power of 4 minus n power 4 is equal to 4 into n cube plus 6 into n square
So that's
plus
out of the thing.
4 into okay. Now here n plus 1
Yes.
whole to the power of 4 minus n power 4 is equal to 4 into n cube plus 6 into n square plus 4 into n plus 1. Now get cancel 2 power 4, 2 power 4, 3 power 4, 3 power 4, 4 power 4, 4 power 4 and n minus 1, n power 4 get cancelled. Remaining n plus 1 whole to the power of 4 minus 1 to the power of 4. N plus 1 whole to the power of 4 minus 1 to the power of 4 is equal to adding all terms 4 into 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus so on plus n cube plus 6 into 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus so on plus n square plus 4 into 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so on plus n plus 1 plus 1 plus so on plus 1. Adding
Sir,
all
is
terms.
this proof important for boards?
No. Just simply, I will explain.
Yeah.
Just
It's fine.
simply.
I'm just asking if we need to
Ah.
memorize.
PU level asking in board examination. PU level.
So this has anyways been deleted.
Huh?
Sir, this has anyways been deleted from our current year's 11th syllabus.
Okay.
So in the similar manner, we can prove it for x for sum of squares also, right?
Same. N plus 1 whole cube, x plus 1 whole cube take. X plus 1 whole cube. Now here after that, n plus 1 whole to the power of 4 minus 1 power 4 is equal to 4 sigma k is equal to 1 to n k cube plus 6 into sigma k is equal to 1 to n k square plus 4 into sigma k is equal to 1 to n k plus n. Now after that, n plus 1 whole to the power of 4, 1 is equal to 4 into sigma k is equal to 1 to n k cube plus 6 into n into n plus 1 2n plus 1 by 6 plus 4 into n plus 1 by 2 plus n. Then 6 get cancelled, 2 1 jar, 2 2 jar. Six get cancelled, 2 1 jar, 2 2 jar. After that, 4 into, now n plus 1 whole to the power of 4, right? N power 4 plus 4 n cube plus 6 n square plus
Sir, why can't we use a square minus b square?
a square minus
Sir, we can use a square minus b square, right?
a square minus b square.
Yes, sir. Like this in the form of a square minus b square.
This one,
Yes, sir.
hey, n
We can write
plus 1 whole to the power
X
of 4.
plus 1 square
N
to
plus 1.
the power whole square, sir. Sir,
Here
sir.
n plus 1
minute,
whole to the
minute.
power of 4.
yes,
1
sir.
minute,
That
sir.
4 only we can write 2
1
into
minute, sir.
To, square and whole square.
Sir, it's x plus 1 to the power 4. You can write as 2 into 2.
Okay.
Like you can write it now, sir. X plus 1 whole square to the power whole square minus 1 square. That
Okay.
you can write no, sir.
Okay, no problem.
can
But
do a
expanding, no,
square minus b
expand. N plus 1 whole to the power of 4. Expand.
Okay, sir.
N power 4 plus 4n cube plus 6n square plus 1 plus 4n. 4n. 4n is it 4n?
Plus 1 minus 1.
Plus 1 and minus 1 is equal to, now here 4 sigma k is equal to 1 to n k cube. Here plus n into n plus 1 2n plus 1 plus 2n into n plus 1 plus n, right? Now 4 into sigma k is equal to 1 to n k cube is equal to n power 4 plus 4n cube plus 6n square plus 4n minus n into n plus 1 2n plus 1 minus 2n into n plus 1 minus n. Understood? After that, 4 into sigma k is equal to 1 to n k cube is equal to, now here multiplying n power 4 plus 2n cube plus n square is coming. After multiplying, n power 4 plus 2n cube plus n square. Now n square common. N square common. N plus 1 whole square, right? N square plus 2n plus 1. N square plus 2n plus 1 is equal to n square into n plus 1 whole square. Now here sigma k is equal to 1 to n k cube is equal to n square into n plus 1 whole square upon 4. This is the proof. Understood all of you?
Yes, sir.
Same thing, n square, sigma n square also same. N plus 1, k plus 1 whole cube take. K plus 1 whole cube.
Sir, the board is too bright.
Not clear?
It's clear, like it's too bright.
Okay.
Today.
All of you done?
So 1 minute.
Huh.
Done, sir.
Okay.
Sir, sum of squares is applicable for negative terms also, right?
Negative terms.
Yes, sir, because square is always positive.
Okay.
Yes, sir. So we can use it for negative side also, right?
Negative side, huh?
Yes, sir. We
Square
can
is
use.
positive. Okay. Second proof, we know that x plus 1 whole cube. X plus 1 whole cube is equal to x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1, right? Now x plus 1 whole cube minus x cube. X cube on this side, 3x square plus 3x plus 1. Now putting 1, 2, 3, so on, n minus 1, comma n. Successively, we get 1 plus 1, 2 cube minus 1 cube is equal to 3 into 1 square plus 3 into 1 plus 1. Now same 2 plus 1, 3 cube minus 2 cube is equal to 3 into 2 square plus 3 into 2 plus 1. Now next 3 plus 1, 4 cube minus 3 cube is equal to 3 into 3 square plus 3 into 3 plus 1 up to so on. So on, n cube minus n minus 1 whole cube is equal to 3 into n minus 1 whole cube whole cube plus 3 into n minus 1 whole square plus 1. N square square n 1. N plus 1 whole cube minus n cube is equal to 3n square plus 3n plus 1. Now adding all terms, adding all terms, n plus 1 whole cube minus 1 cube. Whole cube is equal to 3 into 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus so on plus n square plus 3 into 1 plus 2 plus 3 so on plus n plus 1 plus 1 plus so on plus 1. Now here n cube plus 3n square plus 3n plus 1 minus 1 is equal to 3 into sigma k is equal to 1 to n k square plus 3 into sigma k is equal to 1 to n k plus n. After that, send this side. 3 into 3 sigma k is equal to 1 to n k square is equal to n cube plus 3n square plus 3n plus minus 3 into n plus 1 by 2 minus n. After that, take LCM. N cube plus 3n square plus.
Won't it be 2n cube and 6n square as we have taken the LCM?
Upon 2.
Sir, into 2, right? Also.
Into?
Sir, we need to multiply 2 on the numerator also, right?
After take LCM, no? After that, n
Yes,
cube
sir.
plus 3n square.
Sir, but we need to also multiply it, right?
Multiply.
Yes, sir. You wrote only n cube. We should write 2n cube, no, sir.
2n cube here. Here multiply.
Yes, sir.
Sir, there in the on the top, where how have you cancelled n cube?
N cube 2n cube plus 6n square plus 6n minus 3 into n square plus n. 3n square minus 3n, correct, no? Minus 2n, right? Upon 2.
Sir.
Correct?
Sir, can you hear me?
Ananya?
On the top, the step that you've written, n plus 1 whole cube minus n cube equal to 3n square plus 3n plus 1. On top, sir.
Here.
Yeah. You have cancelled n cube over there.
N cube here. N cube. n plus 1 whole cube and remaining minus 1 cube. After that, 2n cube plus 6n square, 3n square. 6n square minus 3n square plus 6n 2n cube plus 3n square plus 3n plus 3n plus n plus n upon 2, right?
Yes, sir.
Correct, no? After that, n into n common, n into n plus 1,
We'll get the same.
2n plus 1
Yes, sir.
by 2, right?
Yes, sir.
3 into sigma k is equal to 1 to n, k square is equal to n into n plus 1, 2n plus 1 by 2. Sigma k is equal to 1 to n, k square is equal to n into n plus 1, 2n plus 1 by send denominator 3 into 2, 6.
Sir, I have different approach. Like yesterday I was saying, last class I was saying, right? Triangle method. Yes, sir. Sir, that method is easier to understand. Sir, this method includes, like, sir, this concept we know, no, sir. Like, if we have n and add it n times, then we get n square, right? Sir, using that, we can write, like, we can form to a triangle. One below the one, we can write two twos. Below that, three threes. And 4 4 4 4 4 4 n times. Sir, now it will form something like a triangle shape, no, sir?
Okay.
Yes, sir. This same thing will produce a sigma k square. Yes, sir. Now I'll take the same triangle and rotate it.
Okay.
Yes, sir. And the same triangle I again take and rotate it. Different perspective. So when we add corresponding terms, sir, then we'll get sum of 2n plus 1.
Okay.
The number of times this 2n plus 1 occurs is like 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus dot dot dot
n
only, sir. So that time we know sigma n is nothing but n into
n plus 1 by 2.
Yes, sir. So we multiply. So n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 2. But we know that there are three triangles. So 3 times sigma k square.
Okay.
So we can get from that also the formula.
Okay.
Done, sir.
Okay. Then next sigma n you want, sigma k?
Sir, we can use AP. Sir, that we don't need, sir.
Okay.
Sir, is the chapter over now?
Yes, over. Now problems.
Sir, now we have, sir, we should learn method of difference.
Method of?
Sir,
That is
method
competitive
of,
level. Competitive level I will explain. Okay.
Sir, but in our school, our teacher was showing that method.
In board level.
Sir, he was showing us. I couldn't understand anything from that.
Okay. Then next I will explain. Now problems is that so many models is there in series. Sum of series up to n terms 1 upon 1 into 3 plus 1 upon 3 into 5 plus 1 upon 5 into 7 plus 1 upon 7 into 9, so on. Only method of difference and Vn method also is there. Two concepts left in mains level. Remaining all completed. Vn method also is there. Sum of series up to n terms. And here denominator 1 comma 3 comma 5 comma 7 2n minus 1, right? 1 yes, correct, 2n minus 1 and 3 comma 5 comma 7 comma 9 denominator 2n plus 1, correct?
Yes, sir.
See, Tn is equal to 1 comma 3 comma 5 comma 7 so on and 3 comma 5 comma 7 comma 9 so on. Now an is equal to 2n minus 1 and here an is equal to 2n plus 1. Now Tn is equal to 1 upon 2n minus 1 into 2n plus 1. Now Tn is equal to, that implies Tn is equal to, here I'm changing factors.
Sir, we can use a minus b into a plus b.
1 by 2 into 1 upon 2n minus 1 minus 1 upon 2n plus 1.
Sir, why are we doing this?
I'm changing, see, 2n minus 1 into 2n plus 1, right? Now here split 1 upon 2n minus 1 minus 1 upon 2n plus 1.
Sir, how can you split?
Partial fractions. Split this one. Partial fractions. Nagabhushan. Now here take LCM. 2n minus 1 into 2n plus 1. Numerator is 2n plus 1 minus of 2n minus 1. Now here 2n get cancelled. Numerator is 2. 2 upon 2n minus 1 into 2n plus 1, right? Numerator 2 upon 2n minus 1 into 2n plus 1. That's why I'm taking here 1 by 2. Okay, 2 get cancelled, no? Same function is coming, no? Same terms.
Yes, sir.
That's why Tn is equal to 1 upon 2 into 1 upon 2n minus 1 minus 2n plus 1. Now sigma Sn is equal to sigma Tn. Tn is equal to 1 upon 2 sigma n is equal to 1 to
Sir,
n.
why is it 1 by 2 into the term?
See here, Keshav.
Oh, okay.
That's why I will.
Okay, sir.
Sigma n is equal to 1 to n, Tn is equal to 1 upon 2 into 1 upon 2n minus 1 minus 1 upon 2n plus 1 sigma.
But I didn't get it. Why did you split 1 by 2n minus 1, 2n plus 1 as 1 by 2n minus 1 and minus 1 by 2n plus 1?
This one, huh?
Yes, sir.
I'm taking, see, partial fractions, partial fractions split 1 upon 2n minus 1 minus 1 upon 2n plus 1.
So, but that does
Now
not give us
take
the original fraction, right? It gives us
original,
a different fraction.
original is this one.
So, but
See,
you
in any yes, any partial fractions dx upon, see, 1 upon x plus 1 into x minus 2, suppose here a upon x plus 1 plus b upon x minus 2, right? Same thing I'm writing here.
So we can't see board that part.
Okay. See here, okay. 1 upon x plus 1 into x minus 2 is equal to a upon x plus 1 plus b upon x minus 2, right? Partial fractions. You don't know partial fractions?
No, sir, we haven't learned all
That's
these.
why. Okay. See, I'm
Can
using
you give
partial
a
fractions.
note kind of thing
This is
with the
partial
formula?
fractions using
Sir?
hello?
Yeah, can you give a side note kind of thing with the formula?
Formula?
That what is a partial fraction? We haven't learned that.
By using partial fractions, this step.
Yes, sir. Can you like give a side note or something about
So many
partial
formulas is there. Partial fractions.
So could you explain partial fractions?
That is separate concept, Himanshu. That time I will explain, but just note down this one.
Sir, in which chapter is it?
That is separate chapter is there. Partial fractions.
Can't we do it by any another method?
In commutative level, partial fractions is important. Integration. See, up to here, after that n substituting 1 first. One by 2 into 1 minus 1 by 3, right? 1 minus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 5. Next. Sn is equal to half into 1 minus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 into minus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 5, right? Plus 1 by 5 minus 1 by 7 plus so on plus 1 upon 2n minus 1 minus 1 upon 2n plus 1. Now get cancel. This one also get cancelled. And this one also get cancelled. Sn is equal to half into 1 minus 1 upon 2n plus 1. Now take LCM. Half into 2n plus 1 minus 1 upon 2n plus 1 is equal to minus 1 plus 1 get cancelled. Half into 2n upon 2n plus 1 2 get cancelled is equal to n upon 2n plus 1. Sn is equal to. This is the answer. Sn is equal to n upon 2n plus 1.
Sir, this problem looks complicated, but it is not that much complicated also, sir.
Series is complicated.
Sir,
So like if you don't know partial fractions, you cannot solve this.
But one method is there. I don't know how good that method is.
Sir,
Hmm.
the birds blur for me.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Same here. Yes, sir.
Blur.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now?
No, sir, it's still the same.
Sir?
Hello?
Sir, they have
Wait,
asked for
1 second.
infinite terms, right? So it should be 1 by 2, right?
1 by 2.
Yes, sir.
1 second.
It's very blur.
For me, yes, sir.
For you, only for you.
No, sir, it's for everyone.
Yes, sir. Same here.
Same for everybody. It's brightness or a letter, you can't see it.
Sir, the letters are not visible.
But even the board is too bright.
It's too bright. For physics, I mean chemistry class, it was good, no?
Yes, sir, the chemistry.
Now it is very blurred.
Sir, the board's very blur now, sir.
Okay, just tell me, I'm just adjusting. It's a brightness or contrast curve. Which one is?
So that is fine.
Sir,
The board is blurred.
Contrast is
Okay,
fine.
okay. One second. Now tell me.
No, sir.
Same only, sir.
Same only. Now? Now?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Now?
No, sir.
Okay, I'll restart the system. Okay, just wait, okay? Sir, how long? Half an hour, huh? Okay, I'll make it 2 recording, okay? Then one will